Welcome back. Let's continue the story. After the terrible accident, Zulfikar's life changes forever. He is heartbroken when he learns that Hor has died. He cannot believe that the woman he loved is gone. Every memory of Hor makes him emotional, and he struggles to accept the truth. At the same time, Noor is living a difficult life. She does not know that she has a twin sister. One day, Ahmed tells her that she has a twin, but nobody knows where her sister is now. This news shocks Noor and leaves her with many unanswered questions. Meanwhile, Zulfikar's father wants him to forget the past and get married again. However, Zulfikar refuses. He says that no one can take Hor's place in his heart. His decision creates more tension between him and his father. Fate is slowly bringing Zulfikar and Noor closer. They almost meet, but they miss each other. Neither of them knows that they are connected through Hor. After these painful events, both Zulfikar and Noor are dealing with deep sadness. Zulfikar is trying to live without Hor, while Noor is facing one problem after another. Soon, Anjem discovers that Sajda has cruel plans against Noor. She becomes worried about Noor's safety and decides that she must protect her before it is too late. To save Noor from Sajda's cruelty, Anjem arranges Noor's marriage with Salah. She believes this marriage will give Noor a better future. However, Anjem does not know that Salah has his own hidden motives. Noor accepts the marriage with hope, believing that her life will finally improve. But she has no idea that a new chapter of challenges is about to begin. After marrying Salah, Noor hopes that her life will finally become peaceful. She believes that marriage will protect her from Sajda's cruelty and give her a fresh start. Sadly, her hopes are soon shattered. Salah begins to show his true personality. He treats Noor badly and never gives her the love or respect she deserves. Instead of supporting her, he makes her life even more difficult. Noor quietly suffers because she does not want to create more problems for her family. Meanwhile, Arushma and Farah are shocked and heartbroken after learning about Salah's marriage. Their emotions create even more tension, and Noor finds herself surrounded by misunderstandings and conflict. At the same time, Zulfikar is still trying to find the people responsible for the tragedy that destroyed his happy life. He cannot forget Hor, and he wants justice for what happened. One day, fate finally brings Zulfikar and Noor face to face. The moment is surprising because Noor looks exactly like Hor. Zulfikar is stunned and cannot believe his eyes. For a few moments, he feels as if Hor has returned. Noor is also confused because she has never met this man before. Although this meeting is unexpected, both of them leave with many questions in their minds. Soon after, Salah abandons Noor during a difficult situation. She is left alone and helpless. When Zulfikar sees Noor in trouble, he immediately comes forward to help her. He protects her and makes sure she is safe. Noor is thankful for his kindness, but she still keeps her personal problems hidden. She does not tell Anjem or anyone else how cruel Salah really is. As time passes, Salah becomes even harsher. He mistreats Noor again and again, trying to please Arushma instead of caring for his own wife. Noor continues to suffer in silence. Then another unexpected incident takes place. Noor and Zulfikar get into an argument in public. Someone records the incident, and the video quickly spreads on social media. Many people watch it and begin talking about Noor. Salah uses this viral video to damage Noor's reputation. He tells the family false stories about her and tries to make everyone believe that she has done something wrong. Noor feels deeply hurt because she knows she is innocent, but very few people are willing to listen to her.